Hey guys, I know a lot of people have been asking of how I shoot or what I'm using for my camera. So she's gonna link my Instagram down below so you guys can check out the type of shots that I've done. I've done a lot of Utah lately, Utah and Arizona. I'm slowly gonna transfer into California, and I think about like 10 more shots that I have to post. But I'm gonna show you guys today how I kind of shoot my shots. We're going down to Oceanside Pier. It's like around 10 minutes from here. Hopefully you guys get something out of it. I really think the way I shoot is really simple. There's nothing crazy about it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.
So we're on our way to the beach right now, and I just wanted to say, to shoot like a professional, you don't need the most expensive camera. To shoot like a professional, all you need is a good eye and the beauty around you, or people, if that's what you're interested in. If you're interested in portraits, go look for people to take pictures for. Go ask them, hey, can I randomly take a picture of you? But you don't need the most expensive equipment. We started off with a T6i and we absolutely loved it. We thought we was like bomb.com with our cameras. It was so much fun for us, and we upgraded in I think like 6 months, but just because we felt so like passionately in love with it, especially Joseph. Like, I've always been one to love taking pictures, love having those memories to keep with you, but he went like way over extreme, I guess, to another level, because he did a lot of research on the actual settings are for the camera. So I do think those are important things to do if you do want to shoot like a professional, because stuff like the ISO or exposure, right?
Your exposure, your f-stop, your ISO, everything comes into play. Like what type of lighting you have. Like right now we're leaving at around 4:30 because we're trying to get to the sunset time, which is 5:30 here in California. You don't have to shoot at sunset times, but that's like the best lighting you're gonna get.
Golden hour.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a more, like the shot's gonna have more feeling to it, I guess you could call it. It makes the skin tones look a lot better, the colors look a lot way better. I recommend shooting them close to hour or 2 hours before sunset. Once it's sunset, that's when you gotta take advantage of it, but it gets tricky because the sun's going down and you're losing light. So you gotta remember that some people just leave it in one setting and the next thing you know their shots are really dark or some type of messed up, so I gotta keep that in mind.
I'm not as advanced as him when it comes to like, I know I'm like face all in the sun, but I'm definitely not as advanced when it comes to the settings of the actual camera. Okay, half my face is, they're two different tones, so I will be back once the sun is out of my face. I just wanted like to throw out a little disclaimer. I know we're not professional photographers by no means. I don't think that we're like the best out there or anything, but I do know that we're working towards that, and we're working towards learning more and getting more experience. Anything that we can learn, we're trying to absorb it, and we just wanted to share that with you guys. We wanted to help anyone that's a beginner, just like we were just a few months ago, and we're definitely not an expert yet, but we do hope to be one day. So I just wanted to throw that out there before any negative vibes come this way saying that we're not even that good or anything. We're gonna head out because the sun is going down. I think we have like 40 minutes left of sun, and even from here it looks amazing. We haven't been here in about almost a year. For real.
I think it's gonna be really dope.
Well, we actually came here the first night that we got to California, because this was like when we were dating or engaged or whatever for like a week, we used to come here and get burritos all the time and just eat. So it's like our spot. Here are some city photos. Here are some landscape photos. We tried experimenting with night photos just one night that we were in Arizona, I believe. So here are those shots, and I'm telling you, like, these are the most proud shots because it was pretty cold outside, and I kept telling Joseph, like, let's just try. He's always like,
no, I don't have the right gear, we don't have the right stuff, we don't have the right lens.
I was just like, I don't care, I just want to try. You never know, like, we're here anyways, when are we gonna come back? I'm so glad that we did, because some of the shots that we did get, I still can't believe, like, even with zero edit, it came out so freaking nice. So here they are. Here are some beach shots, and here are some portrait shots.
Don't need it.
shots that we will like look for. Sunset, shooting against the sun sometimes could be difficult, but if you get the right lighting, I think you'll be fine. But we're gonna head over to the pier and try to get better shots on there. So like I was saying, these shots are pretty easy. You just have to find lines, connect lines, basically. Those are my main tips. Like whatever you think might look good and whatever sunlight you have, you can work with it, and at the end of the day, it's gonna come out really good. And editing is key, so edit can change a picture. Like you can turn an ugly picture into a really, really cool picture at the end of the day. So just because you have bad gear or you don't have the proper gear or you think you don't have the right gear, doesn't matter. At the end of the day, either use Lightroom or Photoshop and you're gonna get a really awesome shot. So.
This was a really cool video to film. It was just kind of one of our days, but a little more informative than usual. So if you do have any questions, make sure you go ahead and leave us a comment. We do enjoy people's engagement to let us know that either we're doing a good or bad job. So yeah, until next time, see you later.